The lifestyle of pet dogs can vary greatly depending on their breed, environment, and their owner's lifestyle. However, there are some common aspects most pet dogs share. Dogs are creatures of habit, and their well-being largely depends on having a consistent daily routine. A structured lifestyle provides them with a sense of security, predictability, and emotional balance. Just like humans, dogs can become anxious or unsettled when their daily rhythm is disrupted. Routine helps them understand when to expect food, walks, playtime, and rest, making their world more understandable and less stressful. A typical routine for a pet dog starts in the morning. Most dogs wake up around the same time every day, often with the sunrise or when their owners begin their day. They usually need a bathroom break soon after waking, followed by breakfast. Feeding them at the same times each day helps regulate their digestion and reduces the chances of gastrointestinal issues. Dogs quickly learn their meal schedules and often remind their owners if they're late. Morning or early day walks are essential not only for relieving themselves, but also for physical exercise and mental stimulation. During walks, dogs get to explore scents, sights, and sounds, which is important for their cognitive health. Having these walks occur at roughly the same times every day helps dogs know what to expect, which in turn keeps them calm and content. Throughout the day, dogs also benefit from planned nap times, play sessions, and interaction with family members. While some dogs are more active and require frequent engagement, others may be content with a few short bursts of play. Regardless of energy level, dogs do best when their day follows a reliable pattern. For example, a mid-morning nap followed by some toy play or training can keep them mentally and physically satisfied. In the evening, dogs look forward to their second meal, another walk, and some quality time with their human companions. This might include cuddling on the couch, playing fetch in the yard, or simply lying nearby while their owners relax. Eventually, most dogs wind down and settle into their sleeping area at the same time each night, especially if the household follows a regular bedtime routine. Consistency in routines also supports training. Dogs learn commands and behaviors faster when they are practiced at the same time each day. For instance, if leash training happens every morning after breakfast, they will begin to associate that time with focused learning. Regularity in routine reduces behavioral problems, eases anxiety, and promotes a calm and balanced temperament. A balanced and nutritious diet is one of the most important aspects of a pet dog's lifestyle. What a dog eats directly affects its health, energy levels, mood, coat condition, and even its lifespan. Providing the right type of food in the correct portions ensures that dogs get all the essential nutrients they need for growth, maintenance, and overall well-being. Different breeds, ages, and activity levels require different nutritional profiles, so it's important for pet owners to understand the specific needs of their dogs. Puppies, for example, need food that supports rapid growth and development. Their diet should be rich in protein, fat, calcium, and other vitamins to aid in bone development, muscle growth, and cognitive function. Adult dogs, on the other hand, require a diet that maintains their body weight, supports their energy output, and prevents diseases. Senior dogs may benefit from lower-calorie diets that help manage weight, joint support formulas, and easily digestible ingredients to accommodate slowing metabolism and aging organs. Commercial dog foods are typically categorized into dry kibble, wet canned food, and semi-moist options. Many of these are formulated to meet the nutritional standards set by veterinary organizations, but quality varies between brands. High-quality commercial food includes real meat, whole grains, vegetables, and minimal artificial additives. Some pet owners choose raw or home-cooked diets, which can be beneficial if carefully planned under veterinary guidance to ensure all essential nutrients are included. Portion control is also crucial. Overfeeding can lead to obesity, which increases the risk of joint problems, heart disease, diabetes, and other health complications. Underfeeding, on the other hand, can cause malnutrition and energy deficiencies. Dogs should be fed based on their ideal body weight, activity level, and age. Treats and table scraps should be given in moderation and not interfere with the balance of the main diet. In addition to solid food, hydration is equally important. Dogs should have access to fresh, clean water at all times, especially during hot weather or after exercise. Dehydration can lead to serious health issues, including kidney problems and heat stroke. Some owners also add moisture to dry food to help increase fluid intake and improve digestibility. Special dietary needs are another consideration. Dogs with allergies, food sensitivities, or medical conditions may require specialized diets, such as grain-free food, low-fat formulas, or prescription diets. Regular consultation with a veterinarian can help ensure that the dog's diet is continuously meeting its changing needs throughout life. Daily exercise is essential for maintaining a dog's physical health, mental sharpness, and emotional well-being. Regardless of breed or size, all dogs need some level of physical activity to stay fit, burn off excess energy, and prevent behavioral problems that can arise from boredom or restlessness. Exercise routines can vary greatly depending on the dog's age, breed, health condition, and individual temperament, but the need for consistent movement and stimulation is universal among canines. High-energy breeds like Border Collies, Labrador Retrievers, Huskies, and Jack Russell Terriers require more vigorous and extended activity sessions. These dogs are bred for work and thrive on daily runs, games of fetch, agility training, or long walks. Without adequate exercise, they may become destructive, anxious, or develop repetitive behaviors like chewing, digging, or excessive barking. On the other hand, lower-energy breeds, such as Bulldogs, Shetsis, or Basset Hounds, may not require as much intense physical activity, but still benefit from daily strolls and light play to keep their muscles toned and joints flexible. Puppies and young dogs are naturally more active and curious, needing both physical exercise and mental stimulation throughout the day. However, their growing joints and bones require age-appropriate, low-impact activities to avoid injury. Senior dogs might move slower or tire more easily, but they still benefit from regular, gentle walks and movement to maintain joint health and prevent stiffness or weight gain. Exercise is also a powerful tool for training and socialization. Walks expose dogs to new sights, sounds, smells, and people, helping them become more adaptable and less fearful in unfamiliar environments. Group activities, such as dog park visits, group walks, or agility classes can improve a dog's social skills and reduce feelings of isolation. Regular outings also strengthen the bond between the dog and its owner, promoting trust and communication. Mental stimulation during exercise is equally important. Activities like sniffing during walks, playing hide-and-seek, or using puzzle toys outdoors engage a dog's brain and reduce boredom. Combining physical and mental exercise is especially beneficial for intelligent breeds that crave both action and thought-provoking tasks. Indoor exercise options are also useful during bad weather or for dogs with mobility issues. Tug-of-war, stair games, or interactive toys can help burn energy in small spaces. Even short, frequent play sessions throughout the day can be just as effective as long walks when adapted to the dog's individual needs and lifestyle. Mental stimulation is a crucial part of a dog's lifestyle, just as important as physical exercise. Dogs are intelligent and curious animals that thrive on interaction, learning, and problem-solving. Without enough mental engagement, they can become bored, frustrated, and may develop behavioral issues such as excessive barking, chewing, digging, or pacing. Keeping a dog mentally active helps improve their overall behavior, deepens the bond with their owner, and contributes to a more balanced and happy life. One of the most effective ways to provide mental stimulation is through regular training. Teaching dogs new commands, tricks, or reinforcing basic obedience encourages them to focus, think, and engage with their human companions. Training sessions can be short and fun, incorporating rewards like treats, praise, or toys to keep the dog motivated and interested. Even older dogs benefit from learning new things, as it keeps their minds sharp and responsive. Interactive toys are another excellent way to challenge a dog mentally. Puzzle toys, treat dispensing balls, and snuffle mats require dogs to think, problem solve, and use their noses to find hidden rewards. These types of activities satisfy a dog's natural instincts to forage, hunt, and explore. Rotating toys regularly or increasing their difficulty level can help maintain a dog's interest and prevent them from becoming bored with the same activities. Scent-based games are especially engaging, as dogs rely heavily on their sense of smell. Hide-and-seek games with treats or toys placed around the house or yard can provide hours of entertainment and mental work. Some owners even train their dogs in basic scent detection or nose work, which offers both mental and physical enrichment. Social interaction also plays a role in mental stimulation. Dogs are social animals that enjoy the company of humans and other dogs. Regular playdates, visits to the dog park, or simply spending quality time with their owners keeps their minds engaged. Dogs that are left alone for long periods often show signs of boredom and loneliness, so interaction is key to maintaining a healthy mental state. Environmental enrichment can further support a mentally stimulating lifestyle. Changing walking routes, introducing new toys, rearranging furniture, or allowing supervised outdoor exploration can expose dogs to new experiences and keep their minds active. Even simple activities like watching birds through the window or listening to nature sounds can be mentally engaging for a curious dog. Dogs are naturally social creatures that thrive on companionship, affection, and regular interaction with their human family members. Their social nature is rooted in their ancestry as pack animals, where cooperation and connection were key to survival. In a domestic setting, this instinct translates into a deep need for emotional bonds and daily contact with people or other animals. When dogs receive the right amount of attention, love, and communication, they become more confident, secure, and emotionally healthy. One of the most important aspects of a dog's social life is the bond it forms with its primary caregiver. This relationship is built through consistent care, positive interactions, and shared routines. Dogs often see their owners as the center of their world, relying on them for guidance, security, and companionship. Simple activities like playing fetch, grooming, cuddling, or just relaxing together help strengthen this bond and provide a sense of belonging that dogs crave. In addition to bonding with humans, many dogs benefit from interacting with other dogs. Socializing with their peers allows them to practice communication skills, learn appropriate play behavior, and burn off energy in a fun and natural way. Dog parks, group walks, or playdates with familiar dogs are great opportunities for social enrichment. However, these interactions should always be supervised to ensure that play remains safe and positive, especially for dogs that are shy, reactive, or new to social settings. Dogs that are deprived of social interaction may develop behavioral problems, such as separation anxiety, depression, or aggression. Separation anxiety, in particular, is a common issue in dogs that are overly dependent on their owners and are left alone for extended periods. Signs include excessive barking, destructive chewing, house soiling, and pacing. To help dogs cope with time alone, owners can gradually increase their dog's comfort with independence through positive reinforcement, short departures, and the use of interactive toys or calming aids. Consistent social interaction also helps keep a dog mentally sharp. Talking to a dog, teaching it new tricks, involving it in daily activities, and even taking it on errands where dogs are welcome can be very enriching. Dogs enjoy being included and involved in family life, whether it's going for a car ride, sitting on the patio during dinner, or accompanying their owner during home tasks. The more they feel included and connected, the more stable and emotionally fulfilled they become, which contributes greatly to their overall lifestyle and happiness. Regular health and grooming care is a fundamental part of maintaining a pet dog's overall well-being and quality of life. Just like humans, dogs need routine medical attention, preventative care, and hygiene practices to stay healthy, avoid disease, and feel comfortable. Being proactive about a dog's health not only helps in detecting issues early, but also ensures they lead a longer, happier life with fewer complications. One of the most important components of healthcare is regular veterinary visits. These checkups, typically recommended once or twice a year, allow veterinarians to monitor a dog's weight, heart, lungs, teeth, skin, and overall body condition. Routine exams help in the early detection of health problems, such as infections, tumors, arthritis, or internal issues that may not be visible to the owner. Vets also provide necessary vaccinations to protect against contagious diseases like rabies, parvovirus, and distemper, which are vital for both the dog's health and public safety. Preventative treatments, such as flea, tick, and heartworm medications are also essential. Parasites can cause serious health issues ranging from skin irritation to life-threatening infections. Monthly or seasonal treatments help ensure that dogs remain free of these external and internal pests. In areas where ticks and mosquitoes are common, these precautions are even more critical. Dental care is another important aspect of a dog's routine health maintenance. Poor oral hygiene can lead to plaque buildup, gum disease, and eventually tooth loss or infections that spread to other organs. Regular brushing of a dog's teeth, the use of dental chews, and periodic professional cleanings can help keep their mouth clean and healthy. Grooming is not just about keeping a dog looking clean, it plays a vital role in their health. Brushing removes loose fur, prevents matting, and stimulates the skin's natural oils, keeping the coat shiny and healthy. For long-haired breeds, regular brushing prevents tangles that can cause discomfort or skin issues. Bathing helps keep the skin clean and free from irritants, although the frequency should be suited to the breed and activity level. Nail trimming is necessary to prevent overgrown nails, which can lead to pain, altered walking posture, or even injury. Regular ear cleaning helps prevent infections, especially in breeds with floppy ears. Grooming sessions also offer an opportunity for owners to check for any unusual lumps, rashes, or signs of illness, making them an important part of a dog's regular care routine.